Hi, I'm the wine.
And I'm the rum. And today we're here for, we're getting right into it. Yeah, you know what this is. You Caribbean people, you know exactly what this is. What is it?
Panchagram!
Yes, one of our favorite drinks to have around Christmas. Yep, part of one of our new traditions. So, we're going to show you a little bit of just how we're going to make it. So, Panchagram comes from Trinidad. Mom would always make it around Christmas time. Give some to family and friends. So when I got old enough to be able to make it and drink it myself, I figured, yeah, this is a cool thing to introduce to new family. Insert.
And I love Panchagram, so yay!
Yeah, so now it's coming to Christmas. Guess what we're making? Panchagram. Yeah, so one thing we forgot to mention is where the recipe's coming from. Yeah, back at home we also always use this book, the Naparima Girls High School Cookbook. Yeah, that's almost like the holy grail for almost all of our recipes, from, chutney, different types of rotis. So it's only natural that's where we get the Panchagram recipe from. So if you're interested in that book, we'll post a link of it below for where you could get one yourself. So one of the first things we'll have to do is to peel the lime. You're wondering why, but you'll see very soon. Yeah, so I just went and cut some of the lime off screen, more like butchering. So right now we're here trying to expertly crack eggs, as you can see. Yay. The expert is at work. See those wonderful egg cracking skills.
And as you said that, I dropped some eggshell in. You jinxed it.
Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so we've got these lime peels here, which will be used later on. We're gonna put this in the egg mixture so that, everything's not that eggy. So after that, we've got all these wonderful cans to open. I'm gonna try and open them as soon as possible so that Julia won't secretly go in there and eat all the condensed milk.
It's a lie. I never did that. Totally not ever happened.
Yep, so we're gonna drop this in here and then go all the way to the kitchen. Okay, so next is the pouring in of the evaporated milk. Yeah, this has a lot of evaporated milk in it. Julia's trying to be behind the camera because it's hard to do this with one hand. So glad everyone's around watching expert skill pouring. Yeah, spill stuff.
That's fine. We can clean it.
So yes, this is the evaporated milk. What we're gonna do next is to add the condensed milk. Condense.
Yay! I'll totally not grab a spoon and eat it.
Yeah. Isn't she bad at lying? So bad.
Are you sure you want to trust me with the condensed milk?
I can see already that you've already taken a little bit off the top. These are not symmetrical.
Alright, I'm pouring them in. Instead of into my mouth. Look at it. It's so delicious. Yeah, if this stuff left back, that's fine. Because I'll eat it. That's why we do 2 cups instead of 1.5 like it says in the recipe.
Yeah, I'm just here overseeing. Make sure none of them disappear into a mouth, that all of it goes into the actual recipe. So yeah, this is part of what makes it so, creamy. It's a lovely creamy flavor. It goes on really smooth, especially since we have one of the main ingredients, the rum, coming up next. Yeah, of course we have to mix it all together first, and then we can add the rum. Yes.
Oh,
nice.
and nutmeg.
And nutmeg and spices, cause you know everything needs to be spiced.
Okay, that's good enough. I'll eat the rest. That's it.
You heard it here first. Evidence, people. Evidence. So we've done all the mixing, and now there's just one more ingredient to go.
Most important.
Can you guess? Rum. Yeah, not actually me. That's cannibalism. I don't want to die. I'm not a tasty
I love you too
person.
much.
I'm not a tasty person for you cannibals out there. Yes, but this, the reveal. The rum.
So we already put the nutmeg in there, as you can see from the brown specks. So now we have to add the rum. The recipe says only half a cup. So obviously Simora's response was, that's not enough for a Caribbean person. So we're gonna use an entire cup per batch, and since this is 2 batches together, no, it's not. We're only doing 1 cup. Oops.
Yeah. We're not alcoholics here. We're going for a nice sensible amount. You know, I would dare say that this isn't as strong as Mount Gay, because we're like serious EXO fans out here. But there we have it. The pour. The pour. The pour.
I'm gonna need a second bottle just for the last bit to make sure it has enough in there. It's good that we bought 2 more today.
Yes, we went on our lovely Christmas shopping trip just for this.
Ventured outside in spite of weather warnings.
Yes, if you know anything
Don't waste
about
the rum.
Ireland, it's pretty much wet and windy, particularly today. So
Okay,
that cannot dampen the Christmas mood.
let me do this without spilling the precious rum.
Can't spill a drop of rum. And success. Success. Celebrations all around. We have done it. We have achieved something with our lives. We have successfully added rum to this mixture that will soon be punch a creme.
please like, comment and subscribe because we'll be doing more awesome videos like this.
Yes, so just one more thing to say. Merry Christmas and
Frohe Weihnachten.
Tschüss.
Bye.
Until next year.